All right, so this is the move well units. This is a 48-inch insulated well, and we sell different insert packages and bundles that you can adapt this workstation to be whatever you need it to be that day or that week or that night. So as bar managers change, as bartenders change, as cocktail programs change, this has 12 different inserts you can put into this, mix and match them however you'd like to be the most adaptive and functional station for that bartender. So it's 48 inches right now. We have 12 different inserts. We just launched a few new ones. One of them being our espresso station. So as we launched this, we got a lot of feedback from customers, and the most popular piece of feedback is from cafes. Cafes wanted to serve coffee in the morning and cocktails in the evening. So in the morning, you can drop this espresso prep station in there, serve your coffee in the morning with a few different inserts that would make that workstation more functional. And then once your espresso service is done, you can take this out, put an ice bin in its place, and you're ready to go for cocktail service. So our rule of thumb is if you're doing a bar with, let's say, 3 workstations, maybe 2 of them are the static World Series equipment or Alchemy Series equipment that we just went over, and one of them will be Move Well, so that you can adapt to whatever that cocktail program is, or if you have seasonal cocktail changes to your program, you can make this your specialized workstation with those 12 inserts that we offer. So there's one plumbing connection coming in to the back to feed the 3 quick disconnect plumbing. Can you guys see this? So there's 3 quick disconnect plumbing connections on the backsplash, and there's one centralized drain that all of these inserts feed into. So you can easily disconnect, slide, and reconnect all of these inserts. The quick disconnect is very similar to our gas hose, ball bearing connection point. And you can retool it. What? One centralized drain. So there's one drain going out the back, and all of this feeds into that one drain. So the ice bin drains separately from these guys. Is that right? You said it's an insulated bin now. It's an insulated bin. So it's very similar to this. So you see how there's a gap between the bottom of the insert and the top of the well. So everything feeds into the actual well, and then it goes out. It funnels out that centralized drain under it. Yeah, under it. So just like this dump sink. So you have your bin, and all of this would feed out and out of the drain. There's no drain connection to the ice bin. It's all going out the centralized drain. Contamination from this stuff. Oh no. Yes, we have a gap underneath all of our inserts. There's like a 2 or 3 inch gap underneath each of the inserts, so that there's no cross contamination risk. That faucet while we're here too. Yeah. So this is our new quick release faucet. So I'm sure you guys have all had projects where you've told people to put removable millworking on the back, and they haven't done it, right? So this is a solution to those customers that don't want to do that. So this is serviceable from the bartender side. We have special locking mechanism that's on the back. We have special cutouts to make sure this is locked in place. This is standard on our Alchemy series. You can do this as an upgrade on our Royal Series equipment. You just need to know about it at time of production because we utilize a thicker backsplash to support this faucet. So there's two clamps right here. You pop it back into place, make sure it's flush, and lock it back down into place. So you just service your faucet. Once it's flush, you can lock it back into place. And you can just change out your faucet or your water lines in a matter of a minute versus pulling out all of this equipment if you didn't do that removable panel in the backsplash. It comes with the water lines attached with the tight 90s as well. Yep. So we, in addition to the espresso to cocktail station, the oyster shucking or sushi prep stations has also been a very common piece of feedback. So we've actually got some ideas from the world record oyster shucker. Kyle called him, and he actually helped us design this to add some additional functionality to the Move Well. And again, it doesn't all need to be cocktail focused. This can be a prep station or workstation for whatever kind of establishment you're working with.
You said this one is at 32 inches as well? Or
this is 30 inch working height. Yep. So this GSP5 is 30 inches. The ice bin is 30 inch working height. So it's all the same height, 30 inches. So.
Did you say it's a guardrail at the other? Is that refrigerated or is it just ice cold?
So this is our garnish insert. So this is a tray. So you actually have a. Let's take this out. So we have an ice pack inside of this. So these ice packs last 12 hours before they need to be changed. So You can change it out once per shift. And your garnishes will all stay cold throughout. So, as I mentioned, like a lot of times when you're doing an oval shaped bar or U-shaped bar, there's a lot of drain board space with those angle fillers. So maybe you have a 24-inch space that you don't need drain board space because you have plenty throughout the rest of your equipment. So you can pop this in in replace of that 24-inch drain board to get that added benefit.
You have a drink for the second retrofit on it.
Yeah, yep.
So you just take off
the drain board and pop this in its place. So and it allows the bartender to keep control of the garnishes. A lot of times the garnishes are on the bar top. People are reaching in, grabbing their extra lemon, their cherry, whatever they may need. So this prevents that from happening and keeps it more sanitary. With their dirty fingers. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So
it's like a bar though, man. It's like, oh yeah, let's get some